everyone, Sam here from CTC Communications. In this short video, I'll explain what the Bosch HCT 4P remote is, what alarm system it's compatible with, and a few important things you should know before buying one. Now, the Bosch HCT 4P is a 4-button 433 MHz remote controlled with a stainless steel finish. It allows you to arm and disarm your alarm system, trigger a panic alarm, or use the additional button to operate a gate or a garage door, or if you have an alarm system that supports the relay output. This model replaced by the HCT-4 older version, and now it has become HCT-4P. It has the same functionality, but it's a bit more robust and a new design. Now we come to that, what are the system it can be compatible with? It's mainly compatible with Bosch Solution 844, Solution 880, Bosch Solution 2000, which is still available, but it can only work with Bosch Solution 2000 as long as it is fitted with the receiver. The receiver is WE800EV2. It's very important when you're buying these remotes, you know what receiver you have installed, because if you have an incorrect receiver on your alarm system, they're not gonna work. It is also compatible with Bosch Solution 16 when fitted with RE005EV2 receiver. You generally find your receiver next to your alarm enclosure. We have seen that at times installers, they install the receiver sometime next to the garage motor as well, so they must have run a cable from the garage motor to your alarm panel for the receiver connection. So as I say, this is basically compatible with two receivers, WE800EV2, RE005EV2. What it is not compatible with, it's very important to know. If you know your alarm system, it's very easy that you can skip this remotes before buying. If you have Solution 6000, it's not compatible. If you have Bosch Ultima 880, it is not compatible. If you have Solution 16i, 16 Plus, or Solution 64, it is not compatible. The receiver that it is not compatible to is B810, DSRF receiver, RFRC-STR receiver, RF3212E receiver. Don't worry, I'm gonna put this all in the script so you know what receiver it is compatible and what receiver it is not. If you're using a Bosch Solution 6000 alarm system, please do not use HCT-4P remotes. If you're using Bosch Solution 3000 alarm system, please do not use this remote. Chances are, if your alarm is installed in the last 10 years, you will have a Bosch Solution 2000. Please make sure you have a receiver installed on your alarm system, which is WE800EV2 receiver, and then you can use these remotes. These remotes does not come with any serial number on the back of them. They simply get programmed to your receiver by pressing a learn button. You can find these programming steps in the data sheet, but please be careful. With the same learn button from the receiver, you are able to delete the remotes as well. Okay, moving forward, what are the key features of these remotes? There are 4 programmable buttons. As you see, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 is for arming. Number 2, disarming. Number 3, you can use to partially arm the house if you have a partial alarm setting. And number 4, it is for our output. Say you can open a garage motor, you can open a gate motor, as long as your garage motor or alarm are combined by cabling. These remotes, they work with the 433 megahertz frequency. They're ideal for receivers, but please make sure that you check the compatible receiver. If you're not sure which receiver or panel system you have, open your alarm panel cover or receiver box and look for the model number, usually printed on the receiver label. If you're still unsure, just send us a photo at CTC Communications and we will confirm which remote will work for you. Our best contact email is info@ctccommunications.com.au. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to give us an email or give us a call on 1300 552 282. Thank you.